Hey, welcome to the channel, everybody. Thanks for being here. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up already, be sure to do so. Watch it to the end, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this carve. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, and turn on YouTube notifications so you guys can be alerted to all my new videos. Now, check out this contraption on my shoulder. This is a GoPro mount. This is going to come in super handy for those tutorial videos. I'm actually doing a 3-part mini-series tutorial on carving this honey pot bear. So if you're interested, it's going to be available only to my members at the new tutorial. Now you might ask yourself, why? That's not fair. Well, I do make tutorials for everybody, but for those who just joined the new tutorial tier, they did with the intentions of helping me purchase this GoPro mount. That way there we can make better tutorials for everyone in the future. Also, new tutorial tier members are there to help add to the purchase, help us get closer to the goal of purchasing a new GoPro with a couple new batteries. This one's getting faded, it's wearing out. We got to get a new one real soon. So if you're interested in doing that, guys, you can jump on my membership and join the new tutorial tier. We're hoping to get quite a few people on there this month and hope to buy a new GoPro by the end of the month. We'll see what happens. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, though. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. We're going to kick on some tunes, and I'm going to stop talking. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, check it out. There he is, the honey bear with his honey pot. Ah! You know what I forgot to do? H-O-N-E. There's a Y, I promise, but I forgot to put the red paint in it. Whoops. Oh well, what are you gonna do? I'm only human. Don't worry, I'll paint it red though before I sell it. There he is, honey bear. That was a good carve. That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Hit that bell, turn on your YouTube notifications so you guys can be alerted to all in new videos. Also, do you want to learn how to carve this? Do you want to learn how to carve this bear right here, this exact bear? Well, if you do, I'm going to put together a 3-part series, and that's going to be for those of you that are on the new tutorial tier of my members. All right, so if you become a member at the new tutorial tier right here on YouTube, I am going to walk you through a 3-part series on how to carve this bear start to finish. Everything you're going to need to know, walk you through cut by cut, the tools, paint, finishes, everything. We're going to go over all of it in 3 separate little videos, and you know, you guys should be able to carve these babies right up. But you know, normally I do tutorials for everyone to learn, but my members have been helping me get some new items for the channel, like the new GoPro mount that we were using for this video. And so you know what, I got to give back, and I'm going to give back to them with a new tutorial tier tutorial. So if you're interested in that though, you guys can jump on and check it out. All the money from the new tutorial tier members is going to be now going to a new GoPro. One of the GoPros is acting up, but that money is going to go toward purchasing a new one in the future. So, you know, who knows? Maybe we'll have 3 camera angles for a little while before one of them dies. I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is too much talking. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Have an awesome weekend. Check out a video popping up, and I'll see you guys next time.